we have learned natural numbers, whole numbers and integers in our last class.
Ma'am, we can't see you.
And we have already learned rules of integers. And in our 6th standard, we have discussed about addition and subtraction of integers. In this year also, we will continue our journey. In this journey, we will learn multiplication and division of integers. Okay. Now, we will start multiplication of integers. How to multiply integers. Okay. So, how we multiply numbers, like same we will multiply, but in integers we have a positive and negative signs. We have to learn to deal these signs. Okay, we have to learn to deal with signs. Deal these signs, plus and minus. Okay. So, take your book and pen. Okay, keep with you. Rough book and pen, keep with you. I will solve few sums. Observe those.
Ma'am, we can't see you.
And I will give few more. Okay. So first everyone, mute your audio first. Mute the audio. Mute the audio. So today we are going to learn multiplication of integers. We will learn multiplication of integers. So just we will learn basic concept. Okay. So first sum is 3 into minus of 1. Can you see the number? 3 into
no, ma'am.
3 into minus of 1. Yes. Who's this? Answer predator phone. You are muted your video also. So please unmute the video. Only you have to mute the audio. Yes,
Ma'am, -3 answer.
-3. Yes, very good. Very good, Manish. It's a -3. Wait. Yes. So everyone please mute the audio. Vivo 1915. Who's this mobile? Alfina. Alfina, mute your audio, pa. Mute the audio, then you can hear me clearly. If you mute your video, you can't see me. So please unmute your video and only mute the audio. Okay?
Ma'am, answer is -3.
Yes, very good, pa. So, see here. Here we have a 3 and 1. So, first multiply the numbers. 3 ones are 3. And here, what sign we have for 3? It's a plus sign. So, plus into minus equals, it's a minus. So, plus into minus, it's a minus. So, it's a -3. Understood? Understood? It's a very easiest topic. Just you have to understand neatly. Okay? Yes.
Okay,
So second sum is -1 into 225. So here also one number is negative.
-225.
Very good. So 1 225 are 225 minus into plus equals, it's a minus. It's a minus. So we will keep minus 225 as a answer. Okay. Is it clear now? So third sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
So third sum is minus 21 into minus of 30. Minus 21 into minus of 30. Here,
Minus 41. Plus 55. Minus 41. 30. Minus 41. Minus 51.
so everybody finish your talks. Then wait a minute. First mute the audio, please. If you didn't mute, you are unable to listen me. So please mute. Just listen. And finally, I will give few sums to you. Then you can tell me the answers. Okay. Please, Vanshika, mute pa.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanshika, mute your audio, please. Please, as everyone, very good. So now, the sum is minus 21 into minus of 30. Okay, this is the sum. So we have to multiply. First, we will multiply the numbers. Okay. So here, first we have a 0. That means easily, directly we can write the 0, right? 1 0. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we got 630 as our answer. 21 into 30 is 630. But here we have a minus sign. So minus into minus, it's a plus. Minus into minus, it's a plus. So minus into minus equals plus. So two different signs means it's a minus. If same sign means it's a plus. Okay. If we multiply different signs, it's a negative sign again. If we multiply same signs, we will get same sign in our answer. Okay, so minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Okay. So the fourth sum is minus 12 into minus 11. Okay, minus 12 into minus 11. Minus 12 into minus 11. This is the sum. So first we will multiply the numbers. So write down 12 into 11. So you can multiply single digits, otherwise from the 11. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
can I see the answers?
1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. And we have to leave the ones place. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. So 2. 2 plus 1 3. So 1. So our answer is 132. But here we have a minus into minus plus. So answer is plus 132. Okay. So understood now? So are you understood? So 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So again we will leave ones place. So 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So 2, 2 plus 1 3, 1. So plus 132. Okay. So here also minus into minus equals plus. Minus into minus equals plus. So next sum, fifth one, plus 20 into 12. So this is the sum. So solve yourself and I will ask to answer. Okay. Solve yourself.
Ma'am, plus 220.
Plus
220.
220.
240. 240.
Yes, very good. So 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 and plus.
I'm 240.
Yes.
I'm 240.
Yes, pa. Plus
240.
into plus equals
240.
plus. Yes, pa. Correct.
Ma'am.
So here you can observe same signs. We have a same signs. Plus into plus equals plus. Minus into minus equals plus. Minus into plus equals minus. And plus into minus equals minus. Okay.
Ma'am, plus 240.
Yes, ma. Correct. Plus 240. Correct. So only this is very simple, right? Multiplication, already multiplication you are learning from the 3rd standard. So it's a basic multiplication. With that, you have to just deal with the signs. So if you learn these 4 formulas, 4 if you learn, see here, these 4 if you learn, so easily you can solve all the integer sums. Okay. Shrivasha, understood? Yes, Ganavi. Just show me the thumb. Ganavi, understood? Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, Rishit. Preetam. Chandan. Show me the thumb. Chandan. Lakshmi. Yes, Mohan, very good. Understood? Yes. Netresh. Understood? Yes, very good, Netresh. Next, Kriti. Yeah, Farooq. Yes, Kushal, Megha. So understood everyone, right? Yes. So now I will give you one sum. Solve yourself and tell me the answer. Okay. Don't unmute together. Whom I will ask, just you have to say the answer. Okay. So when I will ask the answer, just unmute your audio and then talk. Okay. Yes, very good. So your sum is here. So minus 6 into plus 17. Minus 6 into plus 17. This is your sum. This is your sum. So solve it. So solve it and tell me the answer. Okay. Over.
Can I say, ma'am?
Just show me the thumb. No
Sir?
Gnanesh. Wait, Gnanesh. Give chance for others. Samvardhan. Tell me the answer. Unmute
Ma'am,
your
minus
audio.
102.
Yes, very good. Minus 102. Very good, Samvardhan. When we multiply 17 into 6, we will get our answer as a 102. 6 sevens are 42. 4 carry. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So 102. When we multiply the signs, minus into plus, it's a minus. So our answer is minus 102. Understand, Kriti? Yes, very good, ma'am. So here is the answer, minus 102. When we multiply 17 into 6, we will get 102. It's the answer minus 102. Correct, Raja? Yes, very good. Very good. So can I give one more sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
next sum
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So next sum is minus 21 into minus of 12. So multiply minus 21 into minus of 12. So try. Everyone have to try.
Ma'am, can I get the answer?
Wait a minute. Let them complete everyone.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Mega, tell me, pa. Unmute your audio and tell me, pa. Unmute, pa.
Can I say, ma'am? Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Shripawan,
will
tell
say,
me,
ma'am.
pa. Shripawan.
Ma'am, plus 252.
Yes, very good. Plus 252. Answer is
252.
plus 252.
252.
Okay. Netresh,
Yes,
where
ma'am.
you went? Where you went? You took a break? Yes, okay.
Miss, it is going back.
Okay. So, our answer is plus 252 because we have a two negative signs. Minus into minus, it's a plus. Okay. Understood, Rishit? Sanidhya? Espritam? Chandan? Kushal? Mohan? Chayanka? Just show me the thumb if you understood. Otherwise, I'll explain once again. Yes, very good. So, can I give one more sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, write down next sum. So, minus 6 into plus 12 into minus 3. Your sum is minus 6 into plus 12 into minus of 3. First multiply the numbers. And then multiply the signs.
Ma'am, can I say the answer? Yes, sir.
Rajat, you will say the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rajat, tell me, pa.
Ma'am, plus 216.
216 plus sum.
Plus yes, 216.
Not plus. See here. First we have take these two digits first. Okay. First take these two digits. So here we have a minus and here we have a plus. So minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus. And then minus into minus.
Plus.
So plus 216. Okay. Correct. Rajat, very good. So first we will understand others. Others, are you understood? First,
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
to take two sides and then remaining two. Okay. So first 2 and that result we will multiply with another number. Okay. Kriti, understood? Yes. Kushal, Hamza, yes, Fatima. Fatima, understood? Yes. Okay. Netresh, Likit, understood? Yes, very good. So now, one more sum I will give you. So, solve that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, our sum is minus 15 into minus 2 into plus 5.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, plus 35.
How come, pa?
Ma'am, ma'am, plus 150.
Yes, very good. Plus 150.
Plus
Shiva.
150.
Yes, very good. Alfina, understood, pa?
150.
Yes,
Plus 150.
yes, pa, correct. Plus 150. It's a plus 150. Okay.
Ma'am, plus 150.
Yes. So first, we will multiply the numbers. 15 2s are 30. 35 is 150. Okay. So 15 2s are 30. 35 is otherwise you can multiply like this. 30 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 3s are 50. So we got 150. And now we will multiply the signs. So minus into minus plus. So plus
Plus.
into plus. So plus.
Plus.
So plus 150. Understood?
Yes,
How to
ma'am.
multiply? It's very easy. It's very easy. Just you have to be conscious about signs. Very interesting and very easiest topic of integers. We have to multiply numbers. It's very easy, right? We are learning the multiplication from the fourth standard, third standard, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
this is the time to wind up. So today we have discussed multiplication of integers.
Sign.
Multiplication of integers and signs. So today we will wind up here itself. You just, whatever sums you have solved now, these sums you have to solve in your homework book. Okay. This is the today's homework.
Ma'am, we should not.
Iska?
Ma'am, we should not copy these sums in classwork, ma'am.
No, pa. Before that, I will give few theory. Afterwards, you can copy in classwork. Today, you have to copy in homework book. You have to practice and you can solve your own sums. Take a new numbers, take different signs and practice it. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Today you will send notes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Today, I will send. Okay? So, take care. Stay safe. Stay in home. Okay? Utilize the time. Be happy always. Bye.